Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe Second Lady Colonel Minnie Baloyi Chiwenga has sent a message to women on the importance of respect and protecting the institution of marriage. In a recent Facebook post, Baloyi said that she felt compelled to speak out again because she believes marriages are under attack. Drawing from a role in ministry, she stressed that religious people have a duty to safeguard the family unit. Her main advice to women was simple: never insult your husband in public. Speaking in a mix of English and Shona, she wrote, Chero ukatsamwa sei murandakadzi, never insult your husband in public. In closed doors, you can even beat him, no problem. As a joke, making it clear she was speaking in jest. Baloyi encouraged women to be supportive partners, referencing Proverbs 31 verse 23. She urged women to be the kind of wife who ensures her husband is respected at the city gate, where he takes his seat among the elders of the land. This is not the first time the Second Lady has spoken on marriage and respect between spouses. She previously posted about discouraging women from calling their husbands imbwa or dogs, saying such language undermines relationships. Her latest message has sparked a conversation online, with many praising her for addressing issues that affect families in a direct and relatable way. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.